Okay, hello. So today we'll be seeing problem number 151, reverse words in a string. This one is from Medium, and what we are given here is we are given here a string. The string can be with leading and trailing spaces. Also, this string can be with multiple spaces in between of words, and leading and trailing spaces, multiple spaces, and also in between multiple spaces. So what we have to do is we only need to reverse the string, but only with words, so we can see it reverse the words. Okay, so in function we are given an s, which is string. So what we will do is we will first take care of the leading and trailing spaces. So s dot strip, what this will do is this will strip all the leading and trailing spaces from start and end. Then we will convert this string to an array. So what we will do is we will split. We are not using split between spaces, because as if we use this space, we will see a different kind of array. Like if we want this array of words, then we might get this kind of space as an element, then we can get another word here. So we don't want this kind of scenario, so we are not giving any argument here. Okay, now we need to store this result into an into a variable. Let's name this words is equals to s dot strip. So s dot strip will remove all trailing and leading spaces, and split the words into an array. Now what we have to do is we have to uh, reverse the words from end to the first. So what we will do is we will first reverse the string, like words. This is the short form for reversing an array, or you can even reverse a string using this kind of method. Okay, now what we have to do, this will give us a return of reverse of the words, like world and then hello. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to join these elements, like the sky is blue. Okay, like the sky is blue is sky the. So what we will do, we have got the reverse string. Now we simply need to join the words. So what we will use the join method, and then what will be the delimiting parameter, we will add single space. Okay, so single space dot join. So this will be the delimiter between words, and we will join all those words from the reverse string, and then we simply need to return. So I think that's pretty much it, and when we run the code, we will get the sky is blue and everything was perfect. And if we submit it, let's see. Yes, I also got one day streak. Okay, nice one. So we can see here 43 milliseconds, and yep, that's it. Thank you.